Okay, not even about next year roadmap, but we would like to report of what we've done from what was promised previous year. Okay, it is great opportunity actually to meet such a wonderful audience here. Let me check what is happening in. Okay, yeah, and also it is great opportunity to put on your formal suit at once per year. Yeah, then you put it in wardrobe till the next year, and even put tie to be not worse than Ernest, at least. Yeah. So we only we two having ties here. Yeah. So to be serious, idea is to present, to remind you what was promised in our roadmap previous time, and give you idea what was done, what was not done properly, what was transferred to next year roadmap as well, and even I would like to make it more in entertaining way this time. So at the end of the presentation we will have some, I hope, entertainment with you. So prepare your mobile devices who have them. All of you do not use pagers, please, because of latest events in Lebanon. Okay, for some like to be safe at least. Yeah, and yes, here are two. It's quite sunny morning, bit foggy now, but nice view, and it is even better because maybe you will see at least something because fog is now outside. Let's move on. So again, I'll start with the same slide as the previous time, just to describe you our product profile or footprint, yeah, which functionalities are inside and what we are believe we should include and develop further. Yeah. So usually typical HR application, I would remind, have three main functionality types, like transactional or processes. Transactional processes like talent management processes, and extended interactions processes, like involving different kind of non-professional users, like employees, managers, and even external users to be participants of processes of HR management and HR processes. Yeah. So still we keep the same profile as previously. Green with green letters marked those functionality blocks which are our already implemented in at some extent in our product. Those red which are not yet implemented, and we for a while do not have intention to implement them in our product. We would like to concentrate on this basic part, basic HR, transactional processes, and it's like it is. And we will focus, you will see a bit later in roadmap presentation, these extended interactions blocks, like self-service users of different types, to improve their experience, yeah, in our product. Let's move on. Just to remind that we managing our roadmap in streams, so-called streams. Yeah, we have methodology stream where we improving our internal processes, how to implement in much most efficient way, faster and with less expenses, yeah, less efforts, new customers, because we're expecting quite a lot new customers. Our goal is 500 customers of 500 plus employees until year 13. So we doing it as our one of the main streams to be improved. Technology stream, it is like when we improving our technology basis, like for example, like switch to new version of open source component we're using to improve security and so on, so on, so on. Then we have this extended UX stream, and I just talked about that. And we have functionality stream, where all functionality features are maintained. Yeah. So let's go on. So it is like just to remind for those for you who were who attended our conference previous year, you all remember this picture. Hopefully it is quite visible, and just to see it like it was that year, unchanged this time. Yeah. And here is current status of our 2024 roadmap. You see something is thrown out for some reasons. Yeah, I don't focus on it because it is during roadmap execution we like this analyzing. So road mapping, it is quite like a continuous process. You do like market research, you do like pay willing identification, and so on, so on, so on. Primarily, we included some features which are seems to be demanded, but later on we identified that they maybe can be postponed for identified time. That's us, which are thrown out, yeah, like crossed through. And part of features are, for different reasons, moved to 2025 roadmap, like Polish localization legal reporting, yeah, because there are for objective reasons, but because of resources shortage, we were pressed to move it for 2025. Some of items which are highlighted in green are implemented already, and those kind of orange here, they are still on track, and hopefully we will deliver them until the end of this year. We have a quarter ahead, and hopefully they will be implemented. For example, this digital signature, which is quite demanded. We later on, along with colleague from Trust Links, we will present what we have right now, just POC prototype, yeah, to give you an idea how it will look like, all this stuff, and it will be finalized until the end of the year. That's like status of execution of 2024 roadmap, what promised previous year. Yeah. And this projection, like project actually, because we now in the process of planning of road mapping of this 2025. We have still a couple of months to finalize, and hopefully we will use Everfield, inspired by Everfield procedures, some different approaches and stages how to estimate necessity to include one another feature to roadmap. Those marked with 2024 are just transferred from 2024 roadmap, like obligatory health checks for Estonia. They are like must because this legislation support. PL integration with governmental authorities, it's just what I just told. We didn't manage to finalize it during 2025. And what else? Analytical and reporting tools for an end user. What is that? It's like we currently have different options for presenting data in our product. We have predefined reports. We have kind of dashboards with some diagrams and so on, but they also predefined actually. And we have data grids. Who using already HRB know what is it. You can compose your own views in these data grids and have use these views as a report, kind of reports, yeah. But it's not like best of breed thing of such tools, yeah. What we expect to have here, it is kind of possibility to prepare to select from predefined data dimensions, put them in the BI tool, and play there with this dimensions, like automatically to get reports, analyze them, and that is tool for maybe professionals as well and C-level managers as well. Yeah, just they like to have a possibility to create their own some views, reports, and dashboards. Yeah, and so on. It will be possible here. What else to mention here? I would mention this stuff like self-service portal redesign. Currently, we have self-service functionality just as a limited limited access right to the same system menu, which is currently it's the same product, just limited functions are available for self-service users. What is the idea? To separate architecturally using microservices technology architecture this self-service portal and make it more user-friendly. In other words, what's to start UX, user experience improvements from this part. Still for some time to keep unchanged user experience for professional users, but start improving for non-professional users. And there is interesting part like external users self-service portal. It is like business case, like for example, pre-boarding activities. Yeah, like new hire can access and put his data in this portal and do some pre-boarding activities, which are later on incorporated in during onboarding process. Other cases when, for example, these terminated employees should have access to their pay slips, for example, or non-compete payments and whatever else. So it is also will be separated as a different microservice for security reasons, for and just to improve UX for them as well. And what else I would mention there? Yeah, expansion of widgets library support. I would, I believe most of you know what is. So, just a second, guys. We have lost our video. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, I see mouse pointer. That's great. So like this stuff, yeah, you know, it is like these are different kind of widgets, which are limited number of such widgets for now. we planning to extend widgets library so that end user could prepare own dashboard like this, dropping these useful widgets useful for them on customized dashboards. Okay. So let me continue with presentation. Yeah, where is mine? This button to which is looking at the bottom. This one?
No, 2 more,
3 more. This? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ernest. Yeah, and last one is methodology improvements, like what for sure should be done. So we planning to expand our to cover 100% cover by regression tests of our standard, all our standard functionality to improve stability of the product after new builds, just to have to catch bugs and errors before they will be found by customers. Yeah. Then data activation and data retention standardization. GDPR, we providing currently this functionality customly setting up this data retention, data activation scripts in different like customly for different customers. We would like to have it standard out of the box. User segregation standardization, it is ISO 27001 compliance to improve, okay? And some other stuff, like, let's skip the rest and move on. Yeah, and now let's have fun, yeah? You see on your on the screen this URL menti.com. Please access it on your mobile device and enter this code 741-48157. Yeah, you will have part of features included in roadmap, and you will be able to rank them. You can from unranked area to put in ranked area, and you can then move them up and down. The higher this feature, the higher rank. Yeah, and we could not miss this opportunity to use this great focus group to assess our roadmap features. Let me now again to Yep. Here already voting started. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's like live voting. How much people voted? So leader is digital signature for now. It's actually this year roadmap, but I would like to know opinion. Everybody had a chance so everybody had a chance to vote. No, it's something changed. Yes, changing. Second is self-service redesign. It's our opinion as well. Yeah, it's much our opinion actually. And mobile 3.0. Just would like to stress attention. What is receipts recognition? There is a feature like expense report submissions from mobile device, and feature meaning to capture your receipt, and the system automatically recognize number and whatever other requisites, and will automatically put in proper field, yeah, to do not enter manually. Yeah, and extended widgets library is the last one. So it's more or less our opinion as well. We have confirmation for audience side. Thank you for your voting. It was very valuable for us, and we planning in future as well send different kind of questionnaires to you to get your opinion of about one or another feature to be implemented in our product. And now, guys, thank you very much for your attention, and hope you enjoyed it.
Пойдем обратно в свой roadmap слайд. Пойдем обратно в свой roadmap слайд. Чуть-чуть. Последний. Последний roadmap слайд. Доменты. Yeah, just a quick add. LV integrations are there already. This is automated through API, machine-to-machine integration. And the question an EU gender pay gap, that's a mandatory report for all companies above 250 employees. So you will have to have that by EU.
Pay gap, like equalization, yeah. So it's EU like regular, and starting from 27, it should be reported by companies over 250 employees. But
26. Starting from 26, no?
But 26, yeah. But like we should be ready at the beginning of 25, because, as you know, if to produce some new reporting, you maybe have to to introduce support for them in data collection in proper way. That's why we put it in this year, in the 25th roadmap.
Yep, thank you, Yuri. Yeah.
I have a question about this self-service. When you will migrate a new this microservices, will it be seamless for end users, or we need to somehow upgrade this?
It will be seamless, just to access this self-service. To access self-service portal, you will use different like URL. Yeah, and what is the advantage of microservices? It is failure isolation. Yeah, if one microservice have failure, then another will still running. Or when you maintaining one microservice, main one will continue running. Yeah, that's why we moving in this direction. It's just input from R&D. Actually, they have plans to move to microservice architecture.